Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Matt Estrin, and I'm the owner of 477 Distilling and the Greeley Hatchet House right here in downtown Greeley. And coming up on July 19th, I am putting the whiskey bottle down and putting my dance shoes on and competing in the Weld County Dancing with the Stars event with some very special guests. This is Malin Miller, who is my dance instructor, and these two beautiful ladies are my daughters, Samantha Estrin and Riley Estrin. And the four of us are ready to bring the house down, but here's how we need your help. First things first, we need you to support us financially, and that's how you can vote for us to win. So you can go on my page right here, and you can pledge any dollar amount, and every dollar is a vote towards us winning this competition. So $1, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, whatever you want to vote, we will be so grateful. The second thing you can do is on June 1st, they're going to be releasing the tickets so you can actually come and watch the event. And so be ready on June 1st to get your seat and get your table. It's going to sell out quickly. It is at the Candlelight Dinner Theater. Again, the event is on Wednesday, July 19th. And I am so far out of my comfort zone doing this, and that's why I need you to support me and help us win this event. So thank you. We'll see you guys soon. Woo!